Today I have a really cool episode for you guys. Brazilian BBQ is the theme, and I have a regular picanha. Picanha is a top sirloin steak. It's a meat from the hind quarter of the cow. And I also have a Wagyu Picanha, a really nice top grade picanha with really nice marbling. And to top it all off, we're going to grill pineapple with sugar and cinnamon. Let me show you how to do it. Have you ever been to a Brazilian steakhouse? Those where the waiters are walking around from table to table, serving meat on giant skewers and slicing it right in front of you? One of the best meats you can get there is picanha. It can be a little bit hard to find, but ask your butcher for a top Sirloin Cap. It's a wonderful cut of beef that is full of flavor. The picanha comes with a fat cap on and requires minimal trimming. Just remove the silver skin and some of the excess fat on the edges. Traditionally, it's seasoned only with coarse salt, so that's how I'm going to prepare it today. I'm going to try the picanha two ways. One I will reverse sear, first smoke it and then sear it. The other picanha I'm going to cut with the grain and then sear it directly on the hot coals. For dessert, I'm going to grill pineapple with sugar and cinnamon. I've made a separate video on that before. If you want to see it, check it out here. Cut the skin of the pineapple and then cut it into slices. Then coat the pineapple in a mix of equal parts of sugar and cinnamon. For short cook like today's, I like to use the FOGO black bag premium charcoal. It has consistent medium-sized chunks that are great for short smoking session and also allow me to raise the temperature quickly when I'm ready for searing. Start off by setting your grill to low and slow, indirect heat at 225 degrees. I will first smoke the picanha for about an hour until it hits an internal temperature of 115 degrees. Then let the grill come up to searing temperatures so we can finish off the picanha with that amazing crust. When the meat is done searing, take it off and let it rest. It's time to grill the pineapple. Remember, sugar burns quickly when the grill is too hot, so let it cool down a little bit or grill the pineapple on the indirect side of the grill. Just a few minutes is enough to achieve that amazing char, those grill marks that you're looking for. Alright guys, our picanha is ready and it looks absolutely amazing. Come closer, let me show you what we've got here. Look at this. Extremely juicy. Have you ever seen anything like this? super juicy. The juices are running like crazy. And I have today here Eric, my friend. You wanted to try some picanha?
I'm excited. I can't wait. I can't wait to try it.
Have you ever had picanha before?
I have not.
No? Have you been to like FOGO de Chao, like a Brazilian steakhouse?
I've been there, but I don't think I've had
Yeah,
it. It looks as good as this.
It's nothing like this. So let me. This is the choice picanha. We reverse seared this, which is basically like we smoked it for about an hour, low and slow. So it got this like perfect medium rare, edge to edge. It's not overcooked or anything. It's just perfect. So here we go. Let's have a little piece. Get in there. Grab one, see if you like it. Your honest opinion, does it suck?
No. I don't even need to really bite it. It just melts in your mouth.
Right? This is
phenomenal.
choice. It's crazy.
It tastes so good. You can taste the flavor of the charcoal. It's amazing.
It's pretty good. Oh my god. Let's have some more. One more.
I won't say no to that.
It's perfectly seasoned too. You know, I only put salt on this. Just salt, nothing else. But it's good, right? It doesn't need anything anymore.
It really brings out the flavor of the meat.
Yeah.
And it's amazing.
Look, it's so juicy. It's running down my fingers. It's ridiculous.
I've got the napkin ready already.
Yeah. All right. And I also did a Wagyu Picanha, which is sort of like it's like a Japanese cattle, but bred here in the U.S. I think this one is from Colorado. And let's have a look at those. Let's go for this like nice big piece here. Look, it has like a really nice crust. Really nice. Let's cut this in half. See what we have here. Look at this. Also looks really good. Oh wow, really nice. Let's cut a couple of slices. Here, try this. Yeah, again, if you want to see, super juicy, pulls apart, super tender.
Let me get in there. And
Grab
see.
this.
Yeah.
I forgot about you.
You don't have to ask me twice. I feel like I need a chair to sit down.
Yeah. It's good stuff.
It's so moist.
It's so juicy.
And the flavor, just salt and pepper, right?
No, just salt.
Just salt.
Just salt. Just a little bit of salt. Just on the outside, you know. Look how thick the steak is, and we just put a little bit of salt on the outside. Nothing. You're tasting pure beef, pure deliciousness.
The flavor is
Out of this world. It's
out of
crazy.
this world. Out of this world.
Yeah.
It's cooked just right. Your meat is phenomenal.
Thank you. Yeah, have another one.
Of
It's like
course.
sashimi.
I'm not gonna say no. Cheers.
Man. No, it's good stuff.
So good.
All right, and to. That's good. You know what? I don't know. The Wagyu Picanha is good. You know, basically, so Wagyu is meat that is very fatty. You know, a lot of intermuscular fat. That usually means that it's very tasty because that kind of fat kind of breaks down and melts, and you know, fat is taste basically. But I feel the choice picanha is actually also almost better. Like the taste.
It's just as good.
Yeah, or at least just as good, or better. Yeah, have one more taste of these.
I won't say no.
No, because it's crazy, and look, it pulls apart the same way. And look how thick this is. Boom. Yeah, I think this is better. I like the choice one.
And this one you cooked for about an hour before,
Yeah.
and then just seared it, right?
Smoked for an hour, seared for like a minute, 2 minutes.
Amazing. Really good.
Yeah. Oh, that's good stuff. And to finish it off, I made a Brazilian dessert, grilled pineapple with cinnamon and sugar. And look, it looks absolutely amazing. Actually, when we came here, all you can smell is this, right? Like the entire air is full of the pineapple and cinnamon smell. So let's have a bite of this.
It was really good.
Let me cut it up into little cubes. I'm sorry I don't have any forks. Today is finger food only.
That's fine with me.
Yeah, looks awesome. Like that nice char on the outside. Oh yeah.
You always,
super juicy.
you always forget to grill up
Yeah.
fruit on your
Yeah.
grill. Peaches or pineapples.
Yeah.
Oh man.
No, you can't beat this. It's so good. Full of flavor, a little bit of cinnamon. You know, you can't, it's not overpowering. You can't taste that cinnamon. Just all the sweetness of the pineapple comes out by grilling it, you know, it's so nice.
But it has the grilled flavor behind
Yeah.
it too. Really good.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I think we did a good job here.
Yeah, but you watch, I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna do the pineapple on the meat,
That's a good idea.
right? Can't go wrong. I love it.
I wouldn't
I
try
love
that.
it.
Need to cut one more piece.
It tastes so good.
Yeah, too much fat, right? Just cut the fat off. And some people love to eat the fat, but I think it's a little bit too much. Put it to the side. Put a little pineapple on top. That's a good idea. Thank you for inspiring me.
The fats are for dads. Oh, it's so good, right?
It is a great combo.
Amazing job. So good.
You know, we were supposed to share some of this with the family.
They're not here, so they're missing out.
All right, guys.
We'll save them a little piece at the end.
All right, I think we got to take it into the family now. We had our fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again next week. Thank you so much. Try this at home. This is awesome. Super easy to do, super juicy, full of flavor. Try it out. Thank you.